Okay, I got one. Ooh, ah! Oh, I broke it off. No. No. Okay, so I decided to make a quick trip out to the surf to try to fly fish for some trout. Oh, and see how it goes. So I just got my brand new red and tin path combo yesterday, so I have 2 bass flies and 1 gone. I lost it on a fish earlier, so I'm down to 1 bass fly. Oh, sorry, I have 1 topwater fly, and that's what I like out here. I like a topwater. So the swell is supposed to start calming down, and it is the perfect time to fish. We have the moon setting, a front coming in, and a rising tide. So I'm expecting this bite to be hot. So we'll see how long it lasts though, because I only have 1 fly. Not only do I have 1 fly, I have 1 leader to go with the fly. But never really caught a lot of fish on the fly before, well, at least in saltwater. I caught a bunch on freshwater. We'll see what the Texas saltwater fishing has to offer. Ooh, right there, got him. Got him, ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, skipjack. No, 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 no. Oh, dang. Poor man's tarpon right here, dang. Swallowed it. Got him. Look at that puppy. Woohoo! Look at that. He was hungry. Now he's bleeding. I don't want a shark to get me. Off you go. Over there. I want the blood near me. I'm just swinging as I walk out to keep it out of the waves. That way, ah, freak, I stepped on a crab. I hit a crab. Ooh, that hurt. Woohoo. Okay, take 2. So this is the bass. Ah, dang it, what the heck did I just kick this time? So this is the bass fly I'm using. You can see usually it's supposed to be a frog. Something already took the tail. The legs are beat up. And it's all wore out. Fish are loving it. Guess frogs work out here too. Okay. I can lay it down right in the backside of that wave without getting killed by the wave. Nice slow pops. See if I can call them in. I have abandoned the idea of a stripping bass. Oh, right there, right there. Ooh, I got one. I got one. Come on, come on. This is so much more difficult than a spin rod. This guy's probably 6 inches. Oh no. There he goes. Oh, he swallowed it. So much more difficult. Okay, 9-foot rod. Can't let them break me off. My last popper. Ah, I got him. I got him. Ah, I got him. First trout on fly rod, and he swallowed it. This is my first time really fly fishing the Texas surf. And I actually got a good rod on too, so hopefully it'll work. It's brand new. Just came from Amazon yesterday. Ooh, no. Okay. I had a stripping basket on, but I had to take it off. It kept filling with water. I guess it's not made for the surf. Just doing a short, quick strip. Oh, right there, right there. And let it sit. The good thing is, with being a smaller lure, they have a, dang it, better chance to get in their mouth. I'll wash the reel off real good. Got soaked. Good thing is, it has a nice still drag in it. Man, it's gonna beat to death out here. What I like about the top water is I can just pop it and call them in. I don't have to worry about sight casting, because I do not have accuracy with the fly rod. I have power, but not accuracy. So I'm working on about 2 hours of sleep right now. I was up late working and I saw the conditions this morning. I'm like, I gotta go. I can't pass it up. So I'm out here. Might not be out here long, but I'm out here. But the fly rod is wearing my arm out. I am definitely not in shape for this. Plus, I'm trying to hold it above my chest because the waves are beating me to death. The waves keep coming up to my neck. I know it's kind of hard to tell because I have the hat mount on, but that's the situation. Good thing is, the setup's a lot lighter than my spinning reel setup. I just wish I had somebody out here with a spinning rod to compare and contrast, see if the fly worked better or works worse. And this is not the best lure to be using, but all I got. I would like something with a little more size, make more of a commotion, but it's working. If I can get my rod tipped down backside of a wave, I can make a pretty good pop, get some attention. You can't double haul above your head. You shouldn't be fly fishing in the surf. And get that right there. Oh, dang it. You see that? Hit it right there. Could blow up. Oh, stop. Dang it. Let's try this again. But there is a ton of bait activity between this gut. I'm seeing all sorts of stuff jump. GoPro was in the process of turning it off. Had a trout come up and hit it right in front of me. Stupid thing. It's like it heard the beast, like, oh, now I can hit it. Camera's not on. Yeah, my fly is absolutely destroyed. I got something. Don't know what it is. Don't know how big it is, but I got something. Trout? Ooh, it looks like a trout. I knew something was going on because I saw the molt start to jump. Oh, they're working in. Oh, dang. I don't know if I should try to get to the reel right away or keep working it. Feels good. Yeah, trout. Probably keeper. Yeah, it looks like a keeper. Oh, that's a good one. Real good one. Ah! Oh yeah, look at that surf trout on the fly. Let it go. Good fish. They are absolutely killing this fly. Definitely gonna try some more, but tie it with a thicker hook shank. A little thin. Man, this is made to catch small bass and stuff. Maybe trout. Not for big saltwater trout. Oh, look at that. It was a pretty good day fly fishing the Texas surf. I caught me a couple nice speckled trout. Caught my first keeper speckled trout on the fly. And also caught me a couple of poor man's tarpon. So overall, it was a pretty good day. So hit the subscribe button. Stay up to date on upcoming videos. Until next time.